ayam bakar ketchup. So it's basically grilled chicken with a sweet soy glaze. A lot of Indonesians' main staple is the sweet soy sauce. So in every Indonesian kitchen, you will find that in there. For me, what makes it special is like when you grill it, it actually caramelizes it, so it has more of a deeper flavor in it. I felt that it was important that I kept to my mother's recipes or she would kick my butt. But so I was born here. My parents were, of course, they migrated here. They've always believed that we needed to know where we come from, and food was the easiest way. It makes me feel good that I'm doing something here that is positive especially for the Indonesian community, so we could, showcase our culture towards a bigger audience.